It's finally spring in my area, but it's not exactly warm enough to get outside and start doing lawn care and landscape projects. So in the meantime, while I'm waiting for the things to warm up, I'd like to take advantage of this time to go through all my tools and equipment to make sure that everything's clean and in good working condition, so when I do get started on my projects, I'm not gonna have to stop. Here in New England where I live, we don't get much of a fall anymore. It pretty much goes right from that scorching hot summer to freezing cold winter really fast. So I end up putting away all my tools and equipment rather quickly, and I don't take the time to clean things because it's just, go, fall cleanup, and then winter's coming. So all my stuff right now is probably pretty dirty and grungy right now, and it could all use a good cleaning. Along with that, all my gas equipment could definitely use some maintenance right now. On these cooler, sometimes rainy weekends, I like to open up the garage door and start going through all my tools and my equipment to make sure things are working, start up all my engines to make sure that there's no issues, because a lot of my equipment is upwards of 20 years old when I first started getting into landscaping and projects like this. I try and do this every year, and because of that, my equipment has lasted me as long as it has because I take the time to maintain it. With most of my hand tools, it's just a matter of rinsing them off with a hose, even hitting them with a wire brush to get them nice and clean. I even like to go one step further and spray down some of those surfaces with either a WD-40 or a rust preventative spray so that everything stays nice and clean for the entire summer season. For things like weed whackers or blowers, I like to wipe everything down to make sure it's nice and clean because that 2-cycle oil makes everything a little bit sticky. I also like to take advantage of this time to change the spark plugs and inspect or replace the air filters. If the equipment starts right up, great. If it doesn't, sometimes it's just a matter of swapping out the fuel for some fresh fuel. For my lawn mowers, whether it be my push mower or my riding mower, I like to, again, go through the spark plugs and air filters to make sure that they're clean or new. But I also like to take advantage of this time to change the oil on those engines. And I clean the mower decks, scraping them, wire brush, whatever it takes. And I'll even either sharpen or replace the lawnmower blades so that I'm ready to go. If you keep your wheelbarrows outside, you know that those cold winter months usually ends up leaving you with low or flat tires in the spring. So you'll definitely want to check those out and fill them with air so that you're not caught off guard when you need your wheelbarrow this year. This spring, I'm even going to try and take on a simple project of undercoating my riding mower deck, because it's been getting a little bit of time cleaning it and giving it a Rust-Oleum coating. I might be happier come this summer season when I need to mow my lawn. All of these things are simple and easy to do if you take care of them early on before the growing season starts, so that you don't end up with problems and have to stop. If you're like me, you're usually pressed for time on evenings and weekends, and the last thing you want to do is have to start repairing your tools when you don't have the time to do that. So don't wait till you need your tools before you take care of them. Take advantage of the early spring months to maintain your equipment.